The time has come when everything's bright, with songs and treats and holiday lights, with gifts to make and mountains to speed. We're trucks, we're trolls, we're one family. When I reach out to you, you're always there. We laugh and celebrate the things we share. So warm and fuzzy, even in the winter air. Fill me up with joy and say you'll be with me this holiday. This holiday. We'll ring the bells and share a wish with everyone. Fill me up with joy and say you'll be with me this holiday. Fill me up with joy and say you'll be with me this holiday. This holiday.
Make it glow, sparkle, and flicker. Big red bows bring on the glitter. Oh, it's almost Christmas time. It's cold outside, the perfect weather. We stay warm 'cause we're together. Oh, it's almost Christmas time. Yeah, yeah. Come on, let's string the lights. We'll make it extra bright.
We're gonna celebrate the sweetest holiday.
It's almost Christmas.
Yeah!
It's time for Christmas cheer. Our friends are with us. We'll glam it up this year. And the bells are ringing, the whole town singing. It's almost Christmas. It's almost Christmas. Come on! It's almost Christmas here. Our friends are with us. It's gonna rock this year. And the bells are ringing, the whole town singing. It's almost Christmas.
On a warm and fuzzy, shiny, bubbly holiday, there's a place where puppies, trolls, and guppies all can play. You can take a magic carpet or a snowboard ride. Gonna light the lights and sing together side by side. I love my friends, I love my family, no matter what is underneath the tree. My greatest wish already has come true, 'cause I get to spend the holidays with all of you. We love our friends, furry Christmas. We love our family, wrapped up in joy, just like a gift should be. Our greatest
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day and find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.